Welcome everyone to my channel, Keto Chip. Now this channel is about keto recipes and keto cooking. Today I'm going to be making keto cookies.
Yeah.
And these are my girls,
Hi.
Katie and Sarah.
Hi.
I started the keto diet about 3 weeks ago because I want to lose some weight. The keto diet is amazing because you can eat almost whatever you want. Whatever recipes that are non-keto, there are keto alternatives of it. My daughter, Katie, she already lost about 10 pounds also. She started the keto diet also with me and the whole family, and they love it. You can eat almost anything you want. We're going to start with half a cup of butter. So I got the butter right here. Now, I believe all butters have measuring at the side, either on the top, side, or bottom, but they all should have. So half a cup is actually 8 tablespoons. I even marked it right there. You can see a little crease. So we're gonna have to get that, warm it up, melt it. So I'm gonna get cut a piece of the butter where I put the crease in it. There. Throw it in the bowl. Heat it up. And see you in 1 second. There goes the butter. Now we're gonna need 3/4 cups of swerve. Now this is what I use. I use swerve. I love this stuff because it tastes like real sugar. It's amazing. Oh no, I'm all out. But I have more. Look at that, full bag. So there we go. We have 3/4 cups of swerve. Next, we need 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. I have my measuring spoons right here. So let's see, 1 teaspoon. 1 teaspoon right there. Get my vanilla extract. There you go, perfect. Next is 1 large egg. The next step is 1 1/2 cup of almond flour. Use blanched almond flour, which is good. It's amazing. And it's also just almond meal. This I use for bread, and this one I use for like cookies. Goes 1 cup and then 1/2 cup. There you go. So I stepped out of the kitchen for a second, and then my daughter came by and she put this up here. That is so sweet. Thank you, Katie. You're so sweet. I love it. Keto Chip. Alright, so next is 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder. So we have baking powder right here. Let me see, 1/2 teaspoon, 1/8, 1/4. See, that's 1/2 teaspoon. All right, there you go. 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder. Next ingredient is the xanthan gum. There you go. 1/2 teaspoon xanthan gum. Next step is adding just a little tiny bit of, just like a few sprinkles of, come on, zoom. I mean, not zoom. Focus camera. Focus.
There's focus.
It's not focus. There you go.
Now.
Fenugreek seed. Ground, actually. This is ground. Oh, seriously, camera. There you go. Alright, so, and this gives a little of a maple flavor to it. But just a little bit, like a little sprinkle. And then we throw in the melted butter. And then we stir. You can use a spatula, but don't use spatulas. I'm gonna use a spoon. And look at that. It looks just like cookie dough. Mix it really well.
Smells good.
Oh yeah. You don't want a spoon either? Use your fingers. Now I'm just kidding about throwing the spoon. Last thing you want to do is throw the spoon and break something. Alright, but look at that. Look at that. It's coming out so nice. And how does it smell? Let me smell. Wow, it smells like cookie dough. And then the last step is keto cookie chips. Now these are stevia sweetened Lily's. This is my favorite type of chocolate chips. Well, actually, Lily's is my favorite type of chocolate, period. So we're gonna throw a bunch of these in here. And then we're gonna mix again. Right there. Look at that. Let's mix. Alright, let's prepare the baking sheet. We're gonna turn the oven on to 360 degrees. Right there. Next step, I want to align the baking sheet, the baking pan, with, you can use aluminum foil, that works fine, but I prefer parchment paper. This is non-stick. This is amazing. I love this stuff. It's like nothing sticks to it. I wonder if glue sticks to it. Now while the oven's preheating, all we have to do is grab a little bit of this cookie dough and place it on a baking sheet. That's it. All it spreads by itself. It's gonna look just like a cookie at the end. I need more space. I'm already out of space already. So I'm gonna slide this over a little bit, maybe make another row. Yeah, there you go. And this recipe makes about 14 cookies. Now I'm just gonna wait for the oven to preheat, and once it's preheated, I'm gonna throw them in. Another thing you can do is that if you see some cookies don't have enough chocolate chips, just grab some. Oh my gosh, doesn't want to come in the bag. There you go. Just put some in your hand and just put them on there. And it is so simple. It only takes 10 minutes to prepare, if that. If you do this over and over, you can literally do this in 5 minutes. Oh, there goes the oven. It's preheated. Now that's in the oven. It just takes about 10 to 12 minutes. 8 minutes, keep an eye on them. And after they're browned, they're ready to go. Okay, so there they are. 10 minutes later, they're completely done. Let them cool, and they're ready to eat. And it's that simple. And now it's time for a taste test.
Yeah,
Girls, taste it.
Actually good.
Yeah?
My turn. They're pretty good.
Awesome. There you go, guys. Amazing cookies. Keto cookies.
Daughter approved.
Kids approved. Thanks for watching my channel, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye. I'm sorry, spatula. I will never throw you again. Oh wait, is that thing recording?